This video series will walk you through how to use some of the most popular and accessible site building platforms so that you can create an ePortfolio. This video will teach you the basics of WordPress. Start by typing WordPress into your search tab and clicking the first link. You'll be taken to the WordPress website, to which you'll click the button called Start Your Website. You'll need to create an account in order to use WordPress. Feel free to create an original one or instead link it to your Gmail or Apple account. Next, you'll be asked to type a domain. A domain is the name of your website that will be seen in the URL bar on your browser, and it's the name viewers can use to find your ePortfolio. Once you type something in, it'll offer some domains that you can purchase. However, just below that should be a free option. There's a chance that the domain you want will already be taken, so WordPress will give you suggestions for alternative domain names. Head over to the next step, and you'll once again be offered various subscriptions for WordPress, but for the free option, click Start with a free site. The neat thing about WordPress is that you have many options of how to start building your ePortfolio. You may choose to make a blog or a regular website. It's completely up to your preference. First, let's explore the option to build a blog. This will be great if you will be writing a lot in your ePortfolio. You can either start writing some content immediately by clicking this button, or you can start by planning out how your site will look. WordPress offers a ton of different designs, layouts, and themes. Feel free to check them out and find one you like. To get a closer look at them, just hover over a theme and click Preview to see a site sample with that theme. Now that you've found a theme, you're ready to start customizing it, but you might have trouble getting to editing a page. If these buttons don't work, it's most likely because you haven't yet confirmed and activated your account. So head over to the email you used for your WordPress account. You should have received an email from WordPress, and in it, you can then activate your accounts. Now you'll be taken to your personal WordPress dashboard where you can begin editing your site. WordPress will generate a page for you to start with. We can add a title and a description underneath. You may want to change something like embed a link or make the text bold, for example. If you hover over the block of text, this menu will appear with all sorts of settings. Up at the top left corner are various buttons. This plus sign is the key to your entire site. Here under the Blocks tab, you'll be able to find and add text blocks, columns, photos, and more. Hover over any of these features to see any preview of what they'll look like. Under the Patterns tab is a collection of templates that all match the website theme you've chosen, but offer plenty of ideas on how to display information on your site. If we continue to explore this top left corner, you'll find two arrow buttons. If at any point you want to reverse an edit you make on your site, press these arrows to undo and redo the last edit you made. And this icon keeps track of how much you write on the site. And this icon is a breakdown of every section you've added to the page so far. Hovering your mouse down this list will show you exactly where that section is displayed on your site. To rearrange the position of a section, just click and drag it along this list and drop it to a new location. You should see the changes happen immediately on your site. Another way to do this is by using the group of dots above a section and dragging it around the page itself. It's always great to add pictures to your site, so let's see how to do this on WordPress. Click the plus sign, then click Image. Then press this upload button to access and add a picture that is saved on your computer. Alternatively, you could add a picture from any of these photo platforms or paste a photo link here. Now that you have a picture, the editing possibilities are endless. Drag this button on the right to adjust the size. Add a caption by clicking and typing here. And now, hover over the image to find this menu again. You can adjust the position of the photo, embed a link that viewers can be directed to if they click on the picture, or crop and zoom in using your trackpad or mouse. Maybe you want text over top of the photo like this, or maybe you want the pictures to be in black and white. Once you finish building your ePortfolio and customizing it to your liking, head over to the top right corner and click Preview. This shows exactly what your site will look like to the viewers on a computer, tablet, and phone. To the left of this button is an option to save a draft. This will save your current edits to your account so that you can keep working on it later. Make sure you press this button periodically while editing so that you don't risk losing any progress. Now you're ready to publish your ePortfolio and share it with others. And congrats, you've successfully created an ePortfolio using WordPress. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in the series to explore more site building platforms like this one.